gasoline. And what I'm gonna do is take it and pull it out. But it has a true muscle sound.
You're gonna pull it out?
I gotta put some air in the tires.
You're gonna put the air in the tires?
Air in the tires. I have drive shaft, drive train all hooked up to it. It's running good. Batteries charging, alternators charging battery. It's a good, strong, powerful running 351 Cleveland. It's basically, when I rebuilt the engine, I basically built it from stock to that of high output. And using a lot of special parts from that of the TJ catalog instead of the Boss catalog. But I'm using the Boss 351 head. But what I did with the Boss 351 heads, in order for me to use a solid, not use a solid cam, but the hydraulic cam, what I actually did with that was grind down the Boss studs. And once I grind the Boss studs, I was able to step the fulcrums for that of the 351C hydraulic lifters for CJ Cobra Jet. That was the last year for Cobra Jet would be 1973. That was the last year for the 351C to actually use that name, CJ. And those were listed as special parts from Ford catalog. I got quite a bit to go on as far as it's like resurrecting the dead right now. But it's I wish I could have gotten to this a lot earlier for that to do this. You know, doing the Milltown Muscle Car Show, basically, or an interview, rather speak. But most of the cars that are here needs a paint job. But they run strong. They well over 350 horses. Some of them are like 330. That's here. And hopefully I will get a paint job on it, and you will see it probably in the next YouTube of Muscle Car East Brunswick.
Good job, Eddie. Good job.
I'm losing my posture, my composure. Okay.
You should have wait till you see what I did though. I know you wanted me to stop talking. I didn't say a word though. See?
Thank you for smiling though. My face is.
Cause last time y'all picked on me for talking, I didn't say a word. So watch. You can't say shit to me now.